And welcome to KTSM 9 News at 4 p.m. Thanks for joining us. As hospitalizations have increased by 300% here in El Paso in just the past few weeks, the hospitals are working to increase bed capacity. Thanks for being with us. I'm Daniel Money.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. KTSM 9 News reporter Shelby Cap is live in downtown El Paso with a look at where additional hospitals will be.
The convention center here in downtown is being converted into an auxiliary hospital where 50 hospital beds will be. And just a few hours ago, El Paso's public health director called our healthcare system, quote, overloaded.
Our community is going through a critical juncture right now, and I think you've seen that this is happening all over the country, and I think it's probably a lot of more communities are going to be experiencing the same thing that El Paso is experiencing. So we are at a point in which the healthcare system is overloaded.
In addition to the convention center being converted into an auxiliary hospital, medical mobile units were sent by the state to hospitals around El Paso to help increase hospital capacity. Here you can see the tents already being set up behind UMC. But when Chief Rodriguez with the Office of Emergency Management was asked if El Paso was out of hospital beds, he replied,
because it's not a yes or no question. The reason is we are building that capacity with the hospitals, and we've been doing that since a peak started.
According to the Office of Governor Abbott, 900 medical personnel are on their way to El Paso to help with the surge. Some of those staff will work at the auxiliary medical units being set up at hospitals. Now, the auxiliary hospital located here at the convention center will be able to have 100 beds if need be, but for now it will just be 50. Now, later on this evening, we will hear from health leaders as they provide another update. We'll have full coverage on that coming up tonight after the game. Reporting live in downtown El Paso, Shelby Cap, KTSM 9 News.
All right, Shelby, thank you very much. And in less than an hour, both the city and El Paso County leaders will be holding a press conference to address the surge of COVID cases locally. County Judge Ricardo Samaniego, Mayor DeMargo, and local health authorities will be speaking at the conference. It starts at 5 p.m. You can watch a live stream on our website, ktsm.com.
Governor Greg Abbott is sending more federal resources to El Paso to battle the high number of COVID cases. According to state leaders, the resources will be arriving this week. The Health and Human Services will be deploying disaster medical assistance teams and a trauma critical care team. In a statement, Governor Abbott says, quote, "We are working closely with our federal and local partners to meet the needs of the El Paso community and ultimately bring hospitalizations down."
And we want to show you the hospital numbers, how they're looking right now. According to the El Paso Health Department, there are currently 786 patients who are hospitalized with the virus. That's an increase of 71 people from yesterday. 177 people are in the ICU. That's down 22, but there are now 117 patients who are on ventilators. That's an increase of 32. And now here's a look at how many COVID cases were reported in El Paso today. El Paso health leaders announcing 517 new cases and 3 new deaths due to the virus. The latest victims to die included a man in his 40s, a woman in her 80s. The number of active cases is now at an all-time high with more than 11,300 people currently fighting off the virus. Health leaders note that new cases may still be added today. This is because health staff have been working tirelessly due to more people getting tested. The health department says 25,000 people were tested for COVID from Wednesday through Friday.
Our sister city of